Hey guys, I just wanted to take a little bit to go through the steps for how to go ahead and copy your MathXL course over. This is the second part of the email. You should have, before you go through this process, you should have watched the video for how to gain instructor access for MathXL. So if you have not watched that video first, you're not going to be able to get access unless you get instructor access, and you're going to use your same username and password that you did for my math lab. But since we're moving to this MathXL program, you need to get registered on MathXL first. So let's go back to the beginning. When you go to MathXL, this is the page you see. Again, if you haven't gained access, you need to go watch that previous video and register as an educator. If you, I'm assuming at this point you have gone through that process. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to sign in. We put our username and our password in here, and we go ahead and sign in. Then you enter MathXL, and a pop-up comes up. And we are now here where you see the main page. Again, I've got some stuff going on in here because I've been working in MathXL for the last year, but a lot of this is going to be blank for you. Your first step is going to be able to go to Course Manager. Again, most of you, there's not going to be anything in here. I've got some stuff in here because I've been working in here. One thing that's a little different about MathXL right now is we are going to be, at least at the DevEd level, be running these as coordinator courses and member courses. So what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be, like before, you're going to be copying my course shell over, but you are going to be creating a member course. What this allows you to do is, if you guys are having questions or having the student trouble or having trouble with the student registering, you can go ahead and send me an email, and I'll be able to actually get in there and just be a little bit more hands-on and help out a little bit more, because again, with the previous My Math Lab without the coordinator courses, I wasn't able to see anything, so it was really difficult for me to help you guys and your students out as far as accessing stuff. So what you're going to do here is you're going to create a course. I'm going to create a test one and kind of show you how this is done. So you guys want to create a member course. So you want to click member course. Course name, I'm going to call this Math 040 Summer Test Course. Just so that I can, again, walk through this with you. The next thing you want to check is you want to click join another instructor's course group by specifying the coordinator course ID. So you go ahead and click that, and the course ID is right here. I will also attach this in the email that I'm going to be sending to you, but I'm going to go ahead and put this value in there. So give me just a second to get these windows up so I can see both of this. Alright, so it's going to be XL1I 3134 101Y 5S22. And when that gets in there, you see it says, is this the course you want to copy? Go ahead and check to make sure that it is Math 040 Summer Master Nick Shea. You see that that's my course. We got it right. So that's the one we want to copy. We've got member course selected, so we go ahead and click next. This course is available to your students starting, I think we start on May 4th, and I think we're done at the beginning of August. So, oops, went a little too far. Here we go. So I think this is the last day of the semester. Again, you can look at the COTC schedule and pick that. And then we go ahead and click next. Go ahead and click next. You want to go ahead and click next. Again, you're pretty much just checking through all this stuff. You don't want to lock down browser. So everything's set up here. Just go ahead and click save, and it's going to go ahead and create your course. And when I go to my course manager, this course will now show up when I go to course manager. This course now shows up you see here's my course right here. One of the really nice things about this Math Excel is when you go to Course Manager, this is the course ID you're going to be using. When we were in my math lab, it was usually your last name, but now we have this 16 digits of letters and numbers. I know it's a little bit more confusing, it's a little bit easier, or a little bit harder as far as the length of this, but if you click this, what you'll see is that this pop-up comes up, and it's a really nice step-by-step instructions for how your students can register for Math Excel. So it might not be a bad idea to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to be, this syllabus is attached, and when you're filling out your syllabus, just go ahead and after the course calendar, go ahead and go to a new page, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste this at the end, and then your students will have a kind of a step-by-step instruction for how to enroll in Math Excel. I think it's not too hard, it's pretty self-explanatory, so if you include this either in an email or at the end of your syllabus, I don't think you'll have any problem with your students going ahead and registering. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to email me. If you're having trouble setting this up, please just let me know. I hope this helps, and I look forward to hearing from you.